Easy girls, watch your step on the ramp now. Keep moving straight ahead into the pens. "55, 56. All right, keep moving straight ahead. Looks good, 57.
Did you check the tags on lot 3?
Yeah, they're all clear for processing. Vitals look good on this one.
All right, easy now. Step up onto the scale.
Confirmed. Let's get the next one in position.
Eyes are clear, mucous membranes look good, no swelling.
Okay, noted. Body condition score?
Looks like a healthy 3. The inspection results are finalized. They all look healthy.
Good. They are cleared to return to the feeding area now.
Move on, let's go. Keep moving.
All right, move along to processing line 1.
Easy now, keep them moving smoothly.
This group looks good, spacing is consistent.
Confirmed. Ready for the next batch.
Is the water pressure sufficient?
Yes, the spray is hitting all surfaces evenly.
Freshness is optimal. Send it through.
Noted. Initiating transfer to packaging. We need these packages inspected immediately.
Pallet 7 is clear for shipment. The grain on this hide is excellent.
Agreed. Mark it as first grade.
See this scratch here? We should mark this section for trimming later. Okay.
Good catch. It's just cosmetic, but better safe than sorry.
The output looks good on this batch.
Agreed. We are running at 95% efficiency.
This side looks clean. The underside looks good too. Let's keep the line moving.
Watch the forklift on your left. Okay, pulling this one clear of the aisle.
Rack C is full, send the rest to Rack D. Confirmed. Row 12, shelf 3 is accurate.
Moving the next pallet into position now.
Tearing resistance is good, but the color finish is inconsistent here.
I agree. Recording a minor defect on bundle 14.
Look at the marbling on this steak.
Oh.
Wow, that's perfect. We should definitely get 2.
Good morning. Are you having a good day so far?
I am, thank you. Yourself?
Very well, thanks. That will be 26.45.
Here is your delivery, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Everything arrived perfectly packaged.
And the quality is amazing. Look at this bag.
The steaks look delicious too.